In this lecture, we're going to show what is the difference between fully defined sketch, over-defined sketch, and under-defined sketch. So let's go to the front plane. Let's create a new sketch. Let's start with a line. So let's start here. Now you can see the preview, the dashed line. Let's start here. Let's go down to the origin here, and now let's make horizontal line. And we can see the dashed line that we can follow to create a horizontal line. Let's click here and let's end at this point. Now let's click escape. And now if you look at our sketch, some lines are black. This one and this one are black, and this line is blue. If you look at here down, we can see this is under-defined. So why is this sketch under-defined? This sketch is under-defined because, as you see, we can move this line and we can change the length of this line. Now, if we go to Smart Dimension, and now if we define the length of this line, like this, click OK. If we define the angle between those two lines here, and click OK, we can now see that all lines are black. And this is fully defined sketch. And always when you create a sketch, before you're using this sketch to create a 3D model, make sure that your sketch is fully defined. When you have fully defined sketch, all sketch is black. If you have under-defined sketch, then some lines are blue. Now let's go to Smart Dimension and let's define this length here. Like this. And let's check this, leave this dimension driving, and OK. And now our sketch is yellow. And when we have yellow sketch, then we have over-defined sketch, as we have here. So always make sure that your sketch is black, which means that your sketch is fully defined. To fully define sketch, you have to use Smart Dimensions and you have to use sketch relations. And we're going to show that in the next 2 lectures.